Hello, learner. My name is Rahul Mishra, and till now we see the how to execute end-to-end scenario. So we see that some creating user, updating user, and delete user, but still we are using the hard code values in a body. So this is not a way to write a rest assured because you are not using this, you are not using the same data. So every time you need to change the value of this name variable, name attributes, job attributes. To how to do these things, we will today we will see those things. So let's create another test to verify, and I will show you how to do these things. Okay, so first of all, there's 3 or 4 methods I will teach you how to do these things. uh, First one is okay, we'll start with the map, simple one. Then we'll go ahead with different. Creating data. So at the runtime we are using this. So we will use this same API detail and same way. So we will verify that the response is 200 and the values which we provided runtime. So we will replacing this part in a same. So I will remove these things. Now I will use map of type string comma string and map, then new hash map. Okay, pretty simple. The JSON, this is okay. I forgot to take that JSON, so let me. Okay, uh, this one. This is we are using. Okay, so we are creating the post. So here the format is like this way. So system for the so for demo I'm showing you how these things are working. So first, this is a very simple JSON. So what we have to do in map, we need to put the element, and key is name, second is purpose, similar map dot put and key value we will paste it here. So job and leaders. So you can provide at the time using the random as random some data you can provide at the runtime. So but right now we need to pass it map here. Okay, so this is a first way. Body map, hash map we are using. I guess yeah, log all will be there so that we can see how the things are passing. Okay, good. We faced. Oh, okay. It's good to be see the error. You can see it's asking for the adding the JSON or any jar for the data binding. So we need to switch here JSON Maven dependencies, and the first option we are getting, it's having vulnerability, so we will go with the safest one where no vulnerability is there. Add it dependencies and add it to dependency and refresh it. Okay, good. It get downloaded, then we will create again executing our test cases, and now you can see body JSON and the data will pass and it get created. So this is the first one way. Similarly, I'm just commenting out, and now I will use a JSON object. So JSON object is coming from the Google API, or this is a Google library provided by the Google. So we will add those things. So here, and we will search for the JSON given dependencies. You can see com.google, this is vulnerability, go with this one and add it here inside your library. Cool. It get downloaded. Done. Now JSON object from data name, new JSON object. Now it's very similar. Data dot add, and the key value is, I will copy this and update it to data. Add. Okay, it's reading JSON. Okay, I guess I downloaded the wrong one. Okay, it is org. Second one is org.json. Okay, we need this one. Switch here, refresh it, because these other two are the same, so that's why I'm confused why it is not taking time. Second method is this. Now we will see the option org JSON we are using, and here we need JSON object data dot put. Okay, cool. We will pass the data and run it. Hope you will get error. Yes, definitely. I'm thinking of this error. I want to specially show here. You can say map is returned, and okay, here map is returned, but it should not be. So how to resolve this? In this case, passing char to string, and again running the same. Now it is getting green, and here I am now map is not returned. So this is a second way we are providing the data. Third one is Lambo. So we'll download the Lambok. And go to IntelliJ and adding the Lambok. Refresh it, and for we will create the model. So this is another language we call is Pojo files, but nowadays people are using this. So here our you can name as user. So gdd getter @setter data. So and we need name and job, both are in string name, string job. Okay, we are done with this. now what I have to do, I have to refactor, rename, that's good. So here we will create a object of it. So user, our user will be creator, oops, builder, we need to add builder, user builder, but we will use this, and we will pass the user. Here it will create a JSON, but in builder, our builder, we didn't pass the so it is directly giving name. We can provide name dot second option is job, so we will use the Marcus name and role is lead. So let's run it. So here you can see in response, so body, request body, Marcus and leader. So most of the time the people are using builder. This is very important and very useful way. So this is a best way to recommend. Another way is adding any test data in a JSON format, just like I created it, but right now I'm not okay with this way to hard coding your complete data. Here you can at the runtime you can change the data. So this you are using any randomizer method or maths method or anyway at the randomly you can provide the data, so that every time your test case will pass. So this is a best way to read to create a JSON or body for the your request. Thank you.